Well, how do I get all of these people bought into this idea of supporting me? One thing is, it's not their job, so why should they help me? Naturally, you might have some people that say things like, this isn't my job, why should I help you? In another video, I talk about identifying your in-house marketing team. We called it insourcing. Identifying actors and writers and ideas people in your organization that can support you as the in-house marketer to execute on your ideas and ultimately get more done, get more marketing done and grow the business. That's what it's all about. Now, the next step is going to potentially be the next challenge for you as an in-house marketer is, well, how do I get all of these people bought into this idea of supporting me? One thing is, it's not their job. They've already got a job, so why should they help me? Naturally, you might have some people that resist and say things like, this isn't my job, why should I help you? So you're going to have to do a little bit more than just send an email around everybody asking for their support. The first thing I would do is identify the people that can really support you, that you know will support you first, and spend a bit of time with them. And we'll go into that in a little bit more detail in just a second. So the first thing that you want to do is get them into a room with each other. Facilitate some kind of discussion around marketing for the organization. Get everybody to spend a bit of time with you. Now, the first thing here is that you might be thinking to yourself, well, this is not a typical thing that an in-house marketer would do. Usually I'm in my office doing marketing stuff. I don't facilitate meetings and workshops and do any kind of teaching. Well, now you do. This is a big part of your role going forward, is to elevate others and to extract all the great talent from within the organization and use it for marketing to grow the business. So we want to get everybody into the room with each other, have a discussion about how important marketing is for the organization and how it benefits every single individual around the table as well, and get them to tell you why it benefits them so they can buy in to supporting you. It's not just your job to do the marketing. Every single person in the organization, whether they know it or not, has a role to play. It's your job to leverage that and to elevate others and to make everybody in the organization look good. You are the glue that pulls all of this together. In summary, there's two really important things here. One is you're going to have to put a little bit of effort in to get people to buy in to your new idea, to buy into supporting you with marketing. And secondly, the next challenge for you is to see yourself as this person that brings all the departments together, like the glue within the organization that pulls everyone together, pulls out all the ideas, ultimately, so the organization can be more successful, we can create better marketing, we can all be better communicators, and I think the challenge will make you a better marketer. I'd love to know what's on your mind, your thoughts, your ideas. Jump into the comments section, I'll see you in there. Don't forget to be awesome.